The Clutch Camera Hand Strap by Peak Design. Here is my Canon EOS R with battery grip and a 24-70 L lens Mark II. So you can see a pretty hefty camera. And I have Peak Design anchors up here because I use Peak Design straps. Here's the thickest strap they make. Peak Design is great because with these anchors, you can just slip them in. It locks, very secure. You can remove it. And since Peak Design always includes extra anchors, you can put anchors on all your cameras and you can use the same strap on all the cameras. I got this clutch because when I'm shooting now with this setup, I don't like to shoot with a strap. I want to shoot without a strap, and I'm starting to shoot tethered photography where I connect the camera with a USB-C to a laptop while I shoot. Since this grip is very big, it's a little too big for my hand, I need an extra security to help with my grip here, and that's why I got the clutch. Let's see if it works. Let's see how it works. Appears I have to remove the current anchor that's on here. All right, slip that in, and oh, that's very easy. Not many grips have that extra pin, the anti-twist pin. This one does. I wish this had an anti-twist pin, but it doesn't. Okay, that's pretty tightly in there. Then I have this part. Oh, need to extend it a little bit. Cool. Now I gotta tighten it down to fit my... Don't know how to make it. It's trickier to have this down once you have the battery grip here, but this is supposed to really lock in there. No, it just slips out. That sucks. Maybe I'm not doing this right. This doesn't seem to hold. This strap keeps on slipping off, but I might be doing something wrong. But right now it seems okay. Got a good grip, comfortable. However, when I switch to the top, that's when it becomes a problem because now this is all in the way. It appears this isn't the best solution. I can still operate it, but now it just becomes a pain in the butt when I'm going portrait mode. Just went out and did a small shoot using this Peak Design clutch on my Canon EOS R, and I've come to the new conclusion that this is not for me. This just never seemed to have held down its tension. So every time my grip, I was loosening my grip so that the clutch could take some of the weight of the camera. The strap started to loosen up, and the clutch here became loose as well, and it didn't really provide the stability I wanted from a grip, and it didn't work. And then I also could not shoot in portrait mode with the camera. So I had it on here. When I was holding the grip, it would loosen up. I couldn't figure out a way to tighten it down. And then when I wanted to go this way, I couldn't even use it because the strap was there. I thought that could be a problem, but I'm the kind of person that needs to go through it and find out it doesn't work. If you don't have a battery grip, this could work. Even if you do have a battery grip and you don't mind having that above it, maybe that could be your cup of tea. This doesn't seem to work for me. Probably going to return it. It was $40, and it's quality, but it just didn't hold the tension. Oh well. Peak Design, I still like you.